done trick-or-treating, apparently?
Yeah, she has heels on, so.
Oh, is it too much?
Oh.
Did you go out and buy those?
What?
Those Luigi pants.
Yeah, I bought these at the DAV.
Did you? You lucked out at the DAV? Wow, you lucked out, girl. What's the magic words? Here, he's going to give you one and I'm going to give you one.
You forgot the other part.
On my feet.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the real version because I'm really old. That's an old song. Trick or treat, smell my feet. Aren't they sweet? Can't be beat. Give me something good to eat.
That's really how it goes?
That's really how it goes.
That's awesome. I've never heard that.
Okay, you want to learn it? And then I'll give you double chance. Trick or treat, smell my feet. Aren't they sweet? Can't be beat. Give me something good to eat. Fantastic! You get 4 then. There you
Whoa!
go.
Thank you.
What
She
an effort!
scored.
What an effort!
Thank you.
Halloween.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
That's so classic for the girl where she's like in Halloween, like nightgown dress. She's got flip flops on.
You gotta love that. You gotta love that.
It's so classic.
Look at this little tiny baby. This baby's like,